Hi, everyone. My name is Ronald Vardaman, sales rep here at Scale Computing. I'm going to talk a little bit about who we are and some exciting new offerings we've recently released. Scale Computing Platform is the industry-leading HCI solution by combining server, storage, and virtualization technology into one single appliance that's managed through a single pane of glass. Its efficiency and ease of management make it ideal for both traditional data center and edge computing use cases at an extremely affordable price point. Now, with the recent launch of Scale Computing Fleet Manager, the industry's first cloud-based multi-site management tool, we're now able to offer that same simplicity of our core product to folks deploying anywhere from 1 to 50 to thousands of clusters. Fleet Manager gives partners and customers who are managing multiple environments peace of mind by being able to manage their entire fleet of clusters through one intuitive interface, ensuring the health and reliability of infrastructure like never before. Now, if you're searching for a highly available, easy to use, redundant computing platform, Scale Computing has you covered. For more information, please visit scalecomputing.com.